Kaya nga sa NBA, alam mo pa, I've been covering the NBA here. I'm a credentialed NBA writer since 2000.
Yes.
Ang NBA, yun ang term na ginagamit. Kaming media, allowed kami sa locker room at saka access to the coaches post-game media press conference. Ang
Mhm.
sinasabi, may 15-minute cooling off period. Yun ang sinasabi, cooling off period. That's exactly what's said in the email. Kasi, kailangan mo muna i-gather yung thoughts mo kung may mga tense emotions diyan. Cooling off muna. Nasa live kayo. Tapos, someone said something, someone disagreed with what was said, emotional. Walang cooling off period. And that's what you see. It's a firestorm. It's a
Yeah,
dumpster
yeah.
fire, di ba? Pero
Yeah.
again, di natin ma-blame because these are two people na emotional, type A personality. Governor Pineda is a governor of a province, hindi basta-basta yan. Hindi yan
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ernesto. Hindi yan Ernesto lang na nasa keyboard lang, tumatago sa isang burner account. This is actually a governor of a province dati and now sitting vice governor.